Back to school with Wink. When your child walks through the school doors for the first time in a few weeks, you put their safety in the hands of other people. And now a new Florida law, after the Parkland school shooting, makes schools create a new group just to make sure your kids are safe. They're called threat assessment teams. Just minutes into the day at South Fort Myers High School, a teacher noticed something very strange about Lakeisha Robinson's 9th grade son. A loaded handgun was found inside his backpack. His mom went right to Facebook.
Ain't nobody got hurt today, ain't nobody died today, that's all that matters.
Now, in this case, identifying risks and taking action worked. In 81% of school attacks, someone knew what the attacker was planning. And new this year, armed with that information, your child's school will each have a threat assessment team made up of teachers, coaches, guidance counselors, and school resource officers. One team with the sole focus of identifying threats and stopping an attack on your children.
It's what's been missing on a national level.
Robert Foley, a former FBI agent, says these new guidelines from the Secret Service are the first time there's been an organized approach to prevention.
This assessment gives school administrators red flags to pay attention to, which otherwise perhaps would go unnoticed.
Lee School District is going to put the power in your hands by creating a way to tip off the team, an easy-to-use app. Once a tip is sent, the threat assessment team would immediately interview the student, their friends, parents, and even their neighbors.
And checking out their social media.
And if a student has made a serious threat, that team will get law enforcement involved. All steps that may seem obvious, but until now, there was no organized approach to protecting your students. Now, I'm told Lee, Charlotte, and Collier County schools are using the new Secret Service guidelines to form their threat assessment teams. And you as a parent will be told about them through a letter or online, so you and your child can talk about how to report anything you see to the teams anonymously.